Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to a very beautiful place in New York City, which is called Ralph's Coffee. As you can see, it's in Madison Avenue. So let's go. So we'll drop on the 16th Street, and there we go. This is a line?
Yes.
Yeah, thank you.
Coffee or matcha?
I like both coffee and also matcha.
You can try matcha lemonade.
Yeah, okay. So let's do that, please.
We have chicken salad wrap and ham and cheese. You can see on display.
Yeah. Yeah.
We also do have pastries. You can see it on display as well. So
Yeah, whatever pastry is good.
do you have brownies?
Yes.
Matcha lemonade and brownies.
Yes. So you just order here and wait here. So let me show you the menu here.
We have a coworker that
I'm here.
from Sicily to New York.
I'm good. How are you? Is this tables here? Tables is just tables outside. Yes. Okay. That's pretty so. Now you take this. Okay.
So let's go. So for example, if I order from the front and then like I cannot sit here, I have to sit outside, which is outside of here, and then but like if I want to sit here, I have to order with the table service here, right? Yeah, okay. And your name is? Xander. Okay, nice to meet you. Thank you so much for explaining. My name is Philip. Yeah. Thank you. Have a great day. Thank you for explaining as well, and thanks for the patience. Yeah. No, it's okay. Thank you. It's okay. Thank you. Have a great day. So he's very nice, and he explained everything that we cannot sit here. This place is only for the seating only, and if you order outside like me from the counter, you cannot sit here. You have to sit outside, which I'm gonna explain later. Their matcha lemonade is pretty good. You have to order that, and especially on a hot day like this, where I think that like it's gonna be cold and I wear like long sleeves, but actually it's not, and it's very good. Like it's very refreshing and very like matcha taste, and the matcha quality is really good because I drink matcha like most of the time, and this is pretty good matcha. So I'm gonna take this and let you guys see. Oh, thank you. What is
Just with a second, and then you're reading it, and you get a free drink.
Oh, really? Thank you. He gave me this. There's just like I can get a free drink. Oh, and everything. Look at this. How sweet. So if you guys want, I can also give this card to you guys. Just let me know in the comment, and I'll just give it. I have 2 cards, so you can have the free drink whatever you like in Ralph Lauren. I will rate this place service 9 out of 10. Food and drinks, especially bakery and pastries, 9 out of 10. This drink is very good. The matcha lemonade, very refreshing, 9 out of 10. And for the place, I'll show you later. It's also 9 out of 10. Very good place. Even for like a small meeting when you want to meet with someone else, it's good. So after coffee, you can like see around the store. They have many things to look around, and this is the outside of the store if you can see from the outside. So see you again. Bye bye.